Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and simply tap on the three dots icon here. Let's open a new tab because we have to. Then let's click on the three dots icon again and click on the history. As you can see here, we've got the full list of visited websites. If you want to delete only one of it, simply click on this X button right next to, and as you can see, it disappears. If you want to clear all browsing data, simply click here. And here we've got some advanced and basics options. In basics we have browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. If we want to, we can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. And if you are ready, simply click on clear data. Let's click on clear. And as you can see, there is nothing in the history now. And that's all. This is how you clear browsing data in your Motorola Edge. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.